Here type here the driver download, and please go and search the official website for you. And this here the official website support, click here, this one, set loading. Okay, this here the website for Canon imageCLASS official, and this here for the three system operation. And first system operation for Linux, and click here for Linux, and you look in the serial and serial operating system version. This here version operating system, and click here, and you're looking the release update for the image for the Linux driver, and this here the for Mac operating system, and click here, and you look in the show driver operating system version, you click here, and this here the system operating system for the version for the Mac uh, 12 Live, and Mac 11, and Mac 8, and Mac 8.11. And this here the new update driver, and click I am testing, click for the operating system Mac for Mac 12 Live, and click here. This here the you're looking here, this here the release update for the new update driver, and this here the driver of printer and utilities for Macintosh for Mac OS. Okay, and this here for Windows, click here, and for Windows operating system for Windows version, you click here. This here is like for the operating system for the Windows, Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 7, Windows Server, Windows 7, and not support Windows XP and Vista. This video I am download driver Windows 11, and click here the select the system operation for the Windows 11, and please wait finish please wait driver loading, and this here the gonna reach plus PCL PCL6 printer, and gonna reach plus PH3 printer driver, and this here the printer driver. You look in the new release update for the operating system Windows 11, and I am testing. Click here. This why what's loading again, and you read here this here the outline, and Canon develop Graphic Plus PCL6 printer driver is a command driver, the Sport Multi Canon driver. This provides an optimal user interface for the user interface. This here is setup instruction or tutorial installing for the driver on the printer, and procedure operation when using USB connect, and disconnect the USB cable that connect the driver and computer before install the driver. Connect the USB cable after install the driver. This here the the title your before your not not run the driver, and before your you input the cable USB, and and after I am show for you tutorial installing, and this here the information for the field information. And if you need download driver, you click here. This here the I have read and agree to the terms disclaimer. And if you not click here, button that show, if you click here button show in the lot show, okay, click button download and please wait finish driver download. And this here the tutorial, and your input, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver, cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC take the USB cable printer, and please wait finish driver download, and you click run as the driver automatically take the cable printer. It's easy install. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link a lot below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my videos, support my channel, and uh,